The angle and orientation of solar panels are critical factors that determine the performance of a solar panel system. In this video, we will discuss how the angle and orientation of solar panels affect their performance and how solar panel companies like JASIS can help to optimize the performance of a solar panel system. The angle of solar panels is crucial for maximum sunlight exposure and, thus, maximum power production. The optimal angle for solar panels is equal to the latitude of the location where they are being installed. This ensures that the panels are facing the sun directly, which maximizes the amount of sunlight they receive. However, the angle of the solar panels can be adjusted to optimize the performance in different seasons. For example, during the summer months, the solar panels can be tilted at a steeper angle to maximize the amount of sunlight they receive, while during the winter months, they can be tilted at a shallower angle to minimize shading. The orientation of solar panels is also important for maximum sunlight exposure. Solar panels work best when they are installed facing south, as this is the direction that receives the most sunlight throughout the day. However, in some cases, the orientation of the solar panels may need to be adjusted to suit the specific needs of the location. For example, if a building or other structure is blocking the south-facing direction, the solar panels may need to be installed facing a different direction to minimize shading. Solar panel companies like JASIS offer a wide range of services to optimize the performance of a solar panel system. They provide a detailed assessment of the location and the energy needs, to ensure that the solar panels are installed at the optimal angle and orientation to maximize the amount of sunlight they receive. They also offer adjustable mounting systems that can be used to tilt the solar panels to the optimal angle for maximum sunlight exposure, and this will vary depending on the season. In addition to optimizing the angle and orientation of solar panels, solar panel companies like JASIS also offer shading analysis services. These services use specialized software to analyze the shading on a particular site and determine the best solar panel configuration to minimize the effects of shading. The analysis will also provide information on the most suitable location for the solar panel system and the number of panels required to maximize the energy production. In conclusion, the angle and orientation of solar panels are critical factors that determine the performance of a solar panel system. Solar panels work best when they are installed at an angle that is equal to the latitude of the location where they are being installed and facing south. However, the angle and orientation of solar panels can be adjusted to optimize the performance in different seasons and to suit the specific needs of the location. Solar panel companies like JASIS offer a wide range of services to optimize the performance of a solar panel system, including adjustable mounting systems, shading analysis services and regular maintenance services to ensure that the solar panel system is working properly and at its maximum efficiency.